Victory in the American Revolutionary War gave the United States access to lands north and west of the Ohio River that were previously controlled by Great Britain. Access to these lands resulted in new patterns of settlement and land use. Expansion into this territory contributed to the economic and political growth of the United States. Although the United States won this land, they now had to control it and the people living on it. Native Americans were one group of people living on the land north and west of the Ohio River. Throughout early American history, the United States and Native Americans have had conflicting views over control of territory. This territory was no different. The United States Congress, under the Articles of Confederation, passed the Ordinance of 1785 to split up and sell this land that many Native Americans occupied. Fears of violence from Native Americans made sale of these lands difficult at times. Squatters were another group of people living on the land north and west of the Ohio River. A squatter is a person that occupies land but does not own or rent that land. Squatters had moved into this territory to live. The Ordinance of 1785 was passed in part to deal with them. The U.S. government had fears that they may try to form their own nation, separate from the United States. Selling this land to U.S. citizens would be a way to prevent this from happening. Speculators were another group of people that were interested in the land north and west of the Ohio River. A speculator is someone that takes on a risk with an investment, in this case, land, in hopes of a huge profit. The Ordinance of 1785 divided up land into townships. Each township had 36 sections. The government sold these sections for $640. This was too expensive for most people, so speculators came in and purchased some of the land. They split the land up and tried to sell smaller parcels of land for more reasonable prices.